Good morning, children. Today we're going to discuss visualizing and describing solid figures. So what is a solid figure? A solid figure is a three-dimensional object, meaning it has length, width, and height. Because solid figures have three dimensions, they have depth and take up space. Solid figures may have faces, edges, and vertices. So what are these three? A face is the flat surface of a solid figure. Take note, it should be flat. For example, we have this cube. So the face here is this, as well as these following shapes. So all in all, we have 6 faces. Try to analyze this pyramid here. How many faces do you think does this pyramid have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, this pyramid has 4 faces. A solid figure whose faces are all polygons are called polyhedron. A polyhedron may be a prism or a pyramid. A solid figure that has at least one curved surface is called non-polyhedron. Examples are cones or spheres. Edge is a straight line segment formed when two faces meet. So here, this is the edge. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this cube here has 12 edges. Now for this pyramid, how many edges do you think does this have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this pyramid has 6 edges. A vertex is a point where edges meet. So this is the vertex. So this cube has a total of 8 vertices. For this pyramid, how many vertices do you think does this have? This pyramid has 4 vertices. A while ago, I told you that polyhedron may be prism or a pyramid. A prism is made up of 2 parallel and congruent bases. The other faces are parallelograms. A prism is named after the shape of its base. If its base is a rectangle, it is called rectangular prism. If its base is a triangle, it is called triangular prism. This one is a cube. All of its faces are squares. Pyramids. A pyramid has only one base. The other faces are triangles which meet at a common vertex. Just like prisms, pyramids are also named after their bases. This one has a rectangular base, therefore its name is rectangular-based pyramid. This one is a triangular-based pyramid. This is a square-based pyramid. Cylinders. Cylinder is an example of a non-polyhedron figure. A cylinder is a solid figure with congruent parallel circular bases. These bases are connected by a curved surface. Cones. A cone is also an example of a non-polyhedron figure. A cone is a solid figure with a circular base connected by a curved surface to a single vertex. Spheres. A sphere is a set of points that have the same distance from a given point. It has no faces, edges, or vertices. Remember, solid figures are three-dimensional figures. It has length, width, and height. They may have faces, edges, and vertices. A face is a flat surface of a solid figure. An edge is a straight line segment formed when two faces meet. A vertex is a point where edges meet. Solid figures are either polyhedron or non-polyhedron. A polyhedron is a polygon whose faces are all polygons. Examples of polyhedra are prisms and pyramids. A figure that has at least one curved surface is a non-polyhedron. Cylinders, cones, and spheres are considered non-polyhedra. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.